Hi, I'm Kevin, and I've been working and doing consulting for VFX studios for the past 20 years. I've seen most production teams struggle with two things. One, getting nice production dashboards out of Flow production tracking. FlowPT has charts, but building a polished production overview is hard. Two, automations. Most productions require some kind of automation, like setting the task status when a version is updated. But it means you have to set up the shotgun event daemon, a server, and write custom scripts. A few months ago, I tested LLMs to see whether or not they were good enough for this task. And the results were surprisingly good. So my co-founder and I built FlowPilot Studio. Let me show you how amazing and easy it is to set up charts and automations with FlowPilot Studio. Let's use our AI assistant to build a chart using Haiku 4.5. First, the assistant is going to query your schema, and then it's going to build a recipe. It doesn't have access to your FlowPT data. The only thing it has access to is the schema. Suddenly, you have a chart. You can then modify the visualization the way you like it. Once I'm happy with the chart, just have to save the chart. And now it appears here, and I can add it to a dashboard. Here's an example page I set up for the project Big Bug Bunny. The first tab is a dashboard, where you can see different entities by status, like the sequences, the shots by sequence and status, and the assets by type and status. The other tabs are pages from Flow production tracking, like the sequences page and the shots page. Let me show you how easy it is to set up an automation using our AI assistant with model Haiku 4.5 from Claude. All I have to do is give it a set of instructions that correspond to a template that we have that cover most production needs, and it's gonna get information about your schema and validate the configuration. I can check the rules at the end and see that it did what I wanted, so when a version is created, the task should be in progress. When a version is approved, the task should be final, and when a version is pending review, the task should be on hold. I just have to create the automation, and then I just have to go through my site, and I set the status on these to approved. As you can see, the tasks are on hold right now. And I'm also gonna create a version which from a task that is approved to see if it's gonna be in progress. I can go back to my page, check the statuses of they're all final, and this one is correctly in progress. I can go back to my automations page, go to the logs page, and I can see all the logs from everything that has been done. That's it. You now have an automation working. One more thing, live data exports. I can set up a live data export to track a page. I just have to search for the page. It will automatically detect the columns that are on the page, and I just have to test the query. Once I'm happy with it, I just name it and save it. All I have to do now is copy the URL, go into Google Sheets, and type my URL. This is live data, meaning that if anything changes in ShotGrid, it will be refreshed here. So if, for example, I want to add a column here, let's add the assets column and save the page. If I go back here, perfect. Now I have my list of assets. If I was on Excel, I could set up to sync every 5 minutes, for example. That's it. Those are the most exciting features of FlowPilot Studio right now. You can head to FlowPilot and try it. Remember that it's in beta. We are looking for clients to start this journey together. We'll explore features and make the experience tailored to your needs. Just head to flowpilot.studio and you can get started for free.